we're getting the car all cleaned out, and then next we're going to do the tank because I don't want to go boom when I start cutting into this thing. And I really don't want to go boom. You know, matching the gas tank, boom, boom. Not for me. So I'm going to get the car cleaned out so then we can find all the rust, which it doesn't look like there's much on the inside that I can tell. I already blasted one side onto this side, and it kind of just looks the same. And I already had to open up the garage door. And I made a short earlier about me throwing my seat because I took the seat out. But this is what we're dealing with right here. Look at that. And I don't mind all that stuff over there. Like I used to drink and stuff. I don't drink anymore. And I don't condone drinking because the noggin does not think that well when you are drinking. Just ask me how I know. Anyway. So, you already see that. Oh boy. Yep, I took the seat out because it's gonna get nasty. It already is. Look at this. Yeah. So you're gonna watch me blow this stuff out. I know I should probably vacuum it first, but I don't know if my shop vac even works, so I'm not even gonna try. It's a whole hassle to get it out, and I don't want to deal with it. All right, let's do this. Alrighty. How was that? Now I know there was still some stuff in that little corner in the floor, but I didn't really know what a whole lot of it was, and I kind of wanted to blow it off so I could figure out what it was. Yeah. It looks like I can just kind of grind and buff it, but or grind and spray it. But I think I might have to do a little recocking over here. I guess you can see all that over here and here. Oh. But yeah. Oh. And some of the stuff I don't know what it's for, like this. Don't know what it's for. Don't know why there's a ground right here. This thing's for my antenna, but I ripped the cable off a long time ago trying to put my own antenna in, and then it just never worked ever since. I have not had an antenna in this car in years. Like a long time. But I mean, I got Bluetooth anyway, so it's not really like a big deal. I don't really listen to the regular radio unless I'm in my other car, so. Because this thing's got subs, so I don't care. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Oh boy. Good fly out. Cap. Oh, everything good. No, nothing good. Bottle cap. If we were in Fallout, we'd be making bank right now. Got a cap, bro. Yeah, I ain't seen nothing. It all just looks like junk. So that strapping looks like junk too. Good, so only the junk flew out. Sweet. Let's see what our treasures are. So double treasures. Oh. Well, we got some bolts, nut, looks like a door lock, bottle cap, 10, 11, 12, oh, quarter, 25. I don't know how to count change like that. I'm not professional. A metal ball from a bearing, probably. Oh, this is for my steering thing. That Crown Vics normally have problems with. I mean, mine does too, but none no more. Yeah, looks like a save pile. Oh, bearing, why not? Junk pile. Whoa, hold on, that might be a save. Oh, hey, look there. That was a save too. Everything else looks like trash, though. Looks like rocks and other stuff. Help myself. Oh boy. Oh. Ew. Oh. Oh, more change. Nice. Definitely going to wash my hands after this. That looks gross. Gross. See you in the next clip. Hey guys, it's the next day. I got tired and I just went to sleep after dropping the tank. Air compressor is fixed. Really, I know it looks weird and jank, but works. So let's finish getting this tank out, right? There's no in my life. I'm probably gonna dump the whole tank. So wish me luck. Oh yeah, I gotta do the top of the tank. Alright. I don't know what happened with the last clip, but hopefully it doesn't do it with this clip too. There. So I need screwdriver. Not all of it. You guys in here? Get you guys up high enough so you can see over that. So you see that on top of the tank? Oh shit. Stupid thing. Sorry, hold on. Alright. Alright, now that you see that up there, that's what I need to take off the tank. I think it's right there, yeah. Anyway, that's what I need to take off the top of the tank. And then the tank should be able to come out. Oh, I should be able to actually use you guys as a sight. Somewhat. Oh, it's over here. Gotta get all the rubbers transferred over. And I don't know what I'll do about the rollover valve at the moment. Because obviously now I have to get a new one. There's still quite a bit of gas in here. Ugh. I definitely want to reuse the gas. Maybe not in this, but definitely use the gas. Okay, now. There's the difference. See how that has an inset? However, that one does not. This is one of the problems I was having. You see, we made our own gasket. Honestly, this probably would have been fine if I would have had the right pump for it. Still a decent amount of gas in there. When there was. New gasket. Let me guess. That's what we use on here. Is that old gasket. Just pretty much this rubber stuff over there, huh? Yepper. So this just comes right off. Obviously, see it. That wasn't good if I can take it off with my fingers. See all this? Let's see if don't worry, it's just glass cleaner. That's really weird. I can't get the slice voltage because it won't line up right. Why doesn't it line up right? Why are those two holes so close together? Did whoever make this tank mess up? Is that what's going on here? Bullshit. Bolt lines up with none of them. Someone put the wrong hole in the tank. Why did all these bolt holes line up, man? What the heck? Must have gotten the wrong pump point. We got 5 of them in there at least, so let me get the 5 in there and then we'll see what that tells us. So I guess if I have to run one self-tapper, it's whatever. I'd rather not run none. I'd rather just have, I don't know, all the same hardware. But evidently that's too hard to do. reason I can get 5 in here is the way I messed up the pump last time.
I bet this is definitely Meg's fault. How'd you have the gas but not the right? Oh! Oh! Oh!
And your stupid bullshit hardware. Well, if you go lost, I get that freaking bolt out. Make sure it's extra tight for that one bolt hole that we can't get. Actually, I should mark that so I can drill it. Hopefully, we can start getting some real actual parts. Oh, this terrorist stuff. Here. Here's let me show you. See, all the holes line up ish. Like this one, this top one had to be wallered out a little bit. That's how far that hole is off. Like, what the heck? Like, why? Why even make gas tanks if you're not going to have them right? I'll just take a pair of ice grips and take that one off. But that means I gotta put another bolt in that one. Drill it out, tap it, put a bolt in it, hope it doesn't leak. Gosh. How hard can it be? You get a template of the old fuel pump, the fuel pump thing. You take it to a machine shop. They do this for you. You don't have to deal with this anymore. You put it on the tank, done. Done deal. Never deal with it again. Done. Send it to someone in Taiwan. Done. Oh, because what does that say? Man, Taiwan. Ching chong wagong wang ying. That's why you don't buy Chinese. So, well, I guess that's kind of where we're at. So, I'll catch you back here in a few. All right, boys. All right, guys. I'm back here again. I got the this valve in there and that one in here. Do not ask about this. It's in. All right. That's all you need to know. So now that this part's done, don't worry, there's no gas in here. I took the tank out. I actually don't remember where I put the tank. But okay. So next we're going to start on the metal fab. And guys, this is going to be a whole video on its own. So this will be the end of the gas tank video. And it'll be the start of the metal video. I think my idea is, I'm going to cut along this line right here where it's rusted out, bend it in, and weld it to itself. For the most that I can do that. And then here, over there, and down there, kind of. I think I'm going to wire wheel the back as much as I can. Fix the front of it and get bed liner and spray the back of it. Because I'm going to bed liner the whole underside of the car so then it doesn't rot anymore. Up here, well, it's got already Bluetooth, so like, what's a little bit more Bluetooth, right? I'm not really sure what really goes behind that, but honestly, if it's already rotten and the car doesn't need it, does it really need it? I mean, they're meant to rot like that. Like, that's the point. So, and then one of the next things that I want to do is back bumper. Now, originally I was going to keep this, but now that I've been thinking, well, these two bars are going to be strong enough to hold this old bumper in. I wonder if I just lob it off right here, bend it back, weld it. If that'll, well, do a little how you doing. Or if I just want to actually try and bend it back the right way after cutting it, and then weld it back up. In here, all that over there, I need to get all that. There we go. All that gunk off there, so then I can, do something about it. I'm gonna try and find a vacuum so I can vacuum the rest of this junk out. So then we have a cleaner place to work. And I'm gonna put all the amps and stuff back up there where they belong. I maybe even make them out for them, but don't push it, because I already know they get hot when the subs are in there, and yeah. A little update on the lawnmower. So you can see it's moved from its resting spot from the other day. This thing is kind of cool. Not really, because the belt turned into a rubber band. So that means the belt was too loose, also too tight at the same time. And I need to figure out something about that. But it runs phenomenally. Like it'll start right up. Like, doors run too. So yeah, that's that. The tank's not going to go in until all the metal fab is done, because obviously I gotta do something with this tank thing. Oh boy, I just seen something new. Yeah, you see that? I see it too. That guy right there. Great. There's more than what I was anticipating. This new phone rocks, man. I do plan on patching that hole, that hole, that hole. Obviously those small holes too. So obviously I want this thing to go in this. I almost forgot about that. I got the gas tank filler neck all painted up. She'll be getting her another coat here soon. This thing was kind of raunchy. I mean, just look at the rust holes in that thing. I was gonna fix it, but heck it. You know what? It's not like they're all holed anyway. All these holes are gonna get fixed, obviously. Need to figure out a way to bring that out. As you can see over here, it's creased all over there, over in that fan angle area. This side's not as bad. I don't know why. This is the side that I'd think would be worse, but same thing. I think I'm gonna cut that off. And just kind of bend it all in and send it, you know. She's well, how you doing as well? Come on. She's pooched. Oh, perch right there's rotted. So, alrighty. I'm gonna get to that. I'm gonna make the gas tank video tonight. So that'll be up. And, I mean, you guys will already see that. But this is what's happening right now for me. That's all the evap cord and charcoal sensor crap. Which I'm gonna take the that guy. Oh, you can't see it. That guy. The one underneath the trunk. Gonna take him off. Blow him out, clean him out best I can. In here, I'm not really sure, honestly, right now. I gotta figure out what's going on over here. I don't think you guys can see. But she's soft. She's a little soft. That side's kind of the same way. Oh yeah, you can see sunlight right through it. Boop. I'll probably patch that hole too. I just want to make it so. If I do go on a gravel, that the dust doesn't come in. Because oh boy, did the dust come in. See, that's not from me spraying. So, alrighty. We will get to it though. Alright, slip then. Alright guys, I kind of forgot to fill in an outro, and today it is Easter, or for my tokers out there, 420. Hell yeah. But happy Easter, happy 420. The tank is completed. Everything about it is completed. I got the filler neck all done up. I got everything out of there. Don't come siphon my gas. Not that you could anyway. Maybe not there. I got the tank all done up. I know it doesn't look the best, but there we go. I know it doesn't look the best, but that'll do. That'll do, pig. That'll do. I lost a little bit of... Oh, let's turn that back off. I lost a little bit of footage because of all the storage and stuff that I had. And the, how big all my videos were. A couple of them were, 40, 45 gigabytes at the end of it. So I've turned down the resolution on my phone. So hopefully this is alright still. I got the old tank sitting right here. I did put it up on Facebook, but I don't think anyone's going to bite on it. She's a little chewy. You didn't see me take it out, basically. But here's a little update, this is what I did today. So, there we go. It is not okay. I don't like it. And then also I kind of did a couple of the spots on there. So yeah, that is the end of this video. Sorry it took me so long. I lost footage, and the other footage that I do have is huge, large, very large. The air compressor is now down again. I broke another pulley, and here's the old one that I temporarily fixed up, but I don't think I'm going to put it on. And then, yeah, you can see that guy right there, like that. But yeah, so the passenger side I'm going to do on my own, kind of figure it out, because it's my first time ever doing something like this. Driver's side, more light. Obviously, I'll show better. I haven't done anything over here. I was going to, but I just haven't. This is the way worser side anyway, so wish me luck on this. I am not good at welding thin sheet metal with flux core. So I think I might do what I was talking about, where I don't understand why all this is here. Because on the other side of this, there's nothing. Literally, it's just the other side of the trunk. So I don't understand why I can't just, go straight across, because this is where the bumper bolts on. I could leave all this, leave all that, because I guess that's bumper supports down here, but somehow stiffen it up. I do have an old bumper here that I could use. Yeah. So there you go. That's what's going on in my neck of the woods. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.